Eagle Aliev. The turn of
the tail of the tape for this matchup at 155 pounds. As mentioned, minus 180 favorite. Aliev is in the black. Aliev.
My word, I've never felt so old in my life.
Raul Rosas
had a very good performance on the contender. First round stoppage.
He's so strong in this first round, and
not have a tendency to wear out as the fight progresses.
He goes for the guillotine instead of digging underhooks and looking to work up, and he's going to
guillotine before.
Yep.
Margie Casey took him out of there. Got a win on the contest.
As you notice, that keeps him from being able to push.
Stand part of me. I mean, that is. I'm going to do this to Alves.
Oh. Stop! Get up!
What the fuck, man?
Alves not happy.
Look this
time! Get up.
Okay, I think Alves is saying he bit my finger.
Yeah.
Looks like the pinky on his left hand.
Well, we're going to take a look.
And now Mark's going to...
1 point.
It's a big deal.
1 point.
Seconds left for Alves to try to get back into the fight.
Ooh. That is correct. Iffy, unpredictable, wildly explosive, huge fly
down. So he's timing uppercuts right up the middle.
To be honest. There it is, though. To round 2.
Round 2 coming up.
In my mind, that gives him a 10-9, but still, anyone's fight. We've got to think Aliev's just waiting to shoot. Of Alves. Oh, and he's under the neck.
Now he tries the guillotine.
Now you're taken down, but if you get the guillotine...
He's going to fight the hands as well and essentially pop that head. It's almost as big as one as mine. It's insane.
Oh, that's in energy trying to finish that.
And that is why guillotines are dangerous. People in Tajikistan right now, they are going out from the fence.
Great defense.
Their head on that side of the arm. They're trying to set up a choke. Punches like this set up submissions, but this is where...
For stylistic, more of a neutral matchup, Aliev, you have to stand up. You have to use the fence. You have to wrestle, set the bar.
The pace, the technique, the passion to win.
With his ground control time. Third round coming up.
Stop! Up!
Throw some more feints and move side to side. It's because beautiful knee land.
You see the panic, this is reminiscent.
Great defense, great defense.
Get a stoppage, however, by doing so, that would allow some...
Really dominate this third round. Shows how strong Alves is with his top game.
Yeah, was that...
Great defense by Aliev there.
Out on top, does some damage, he could win a decision. He's looking to grab that right wrist. See, he's trying to try and get the finish.
Corner of Alves wants more urgent.
Wants to be using explosive attacks, but he's partly got himself
for that. As Bisping's saying, is not only do you sacrifice the position, but you use technique. Like, it's not that he doesn't know what to do. He's just
speed.
Look how he's holding that bottom leg of Alves.
See him trying to block, and he's trying to land a little out.
Seeing the tank in the final 30 seconds.
Decision, Nurulo, Tajik Eagle Aliev.
counter.